All right, so I want to show you how to find several keyword opportunities using your search console, Google Search Console. So log into your Google Search Console, go to your, your list of websites you've added to your search console. So this is typically for Parak ICT Academy. So I'm going to show you. So just go to on your site pane. So you see the overview. So click on the performance. So under the performance, I want you to check out something here. You can see your queries, you can see pages, countries, devices, search appearance. So don't bother about all this. Just go to your pages, and then you can see your clicks, and you can rearrange this, reorder them. Okay, you can sort them by ascending or descending orders. We want to sort them, from the highest to the least, and then we can see our impressions. You can also sort by impressions if you want to, from the highest to the least. You can sort by clicks. So you can see the pages receiving a lot of clicks, but the question for us is what is behind those, what is driving the traffic to those pages. So that's what we are much interested in. So I'm going to click on, say, this particular page link, and then I discover, just scroll down and you can see, go to queries. So you see some of the queries driving traffic to that page, but unfortunately some of these queries are not getting clicked. So we can see a number of clicks from these queries here: Parak Computers, Computer Institute, Computer School. So what this tells us is that you have opportunity to create more pages that will reflect some of these keywords on your site. So many people are searching, but they are not finding because some of these keywords are not very prominent. Okay, so create content that will reflect these keywords on your pages. So now let's go back and search and see another link. So you make a list of all these queries that we have already. So go back to performance, and then while you're on performance, I don't want you to use the queries, I want you to use the pages. So see the top performing pages. Let's see the second on the list. That's our web design training. So I'm not going to go through the page. I'm going to use the queries that we used to get here. You can see website design training, web designers in Ibadan, web design course, web design company, web developers, web design training, WordPress website design training, and more and more. So we need to you can keep scrolling to see all the possible queries that we use to find your page and that brought users here. So all these have become keyword opportunities that we can actually maximize to gain more popularity and for your SEO work. So it's very important that you're paying attention to your search console trends and analytics, and I hope that if you implement these things, it won't take you more than 60 seconds or 2 minutes to check. Do this once or twice in a week, and then as you do that, you give it to your content developer. You shouldn't be writing tons and tons of content. 1 or 2 blog pages per month. It's fine. Just make sure that you are reflecting these keywords, and your site will really outperform others out there. Thank you. So should you need any help with setting up your Google Search Console, please get in touch with us. Check the links posted below this video, and they will be glad to help you out, to grow your, to meet your marketing needs and to grow, your site, to get more visibility, to get more visitors, and ultimately, more sales. Thank you and have a wonderful day.